Dear students, today we are going to solve question number 16, 17 and 18 from problem set 2, geometry. Here the question number 16 says that triangle PQR is equilateral triangle where QS equals to 1 upon 3 QR. Only this much information has been given as well as the figure is given. So let's solve. So they want us to prove 9A square equals to 7PQ square. But until and unless there is 90 degree, we cannot prove right angle triangle and we cannot use Pythagoras theorem. For that, little bit construction. Draw PT perpendicular to QR. So this angle becomes 90. This is one thing. Now, triangle PQR is equilateral triangle. Therefore, PQ equals to QR equals to PR. Congruent sides. They are the congruent sides, equal sides of equilateral triangle. Also, measure angle in triangle PQT. Measure angle T equals to 90 degree and Q they have given 60. This is also 60. This they have given 60. This is from construction. Angle PQR equals to 60 degree. They are given. Therefore, measure angle P plus measure angle Q plus measure angle R equals to 180 degree. Reason we know that sum of the measures of all the angles of triangle is 180. We have to write in full. Sum of the measures of all the angles of triangles are 180 degree. Therefore, measure P is unknown, Q is 60, PQT, T is 90. Equals to 180. So we get measure angle P equals to 180 minus 150, that is 30 degree. So this becomes 30 degree. So this one TPQ equals to 30 degree. Therefore, triangle PQT is 30, 60, 90 triangle. Okay. So because of this property, what we can say, therefore, PT equals to root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. Now what is hypotenuse here? In this triangle, PQ. So we write PQ. Okay. So this one, let it be equation 1. Going further, we will get PT equals to root 3 upon 60. Similarly, QT equals to half of hypotenuse. Half of PQ. So So that will be PQ upon 2. Okay. So QT is PQ upon 2. This is 2. Now these two values we have got, which we will use further. Now what is QT? QT is QS plus ST. QT equals to QS plus ST. Okay. QT equals to QS plus ST. But here QT means PQ upon 2. What we can write? PQ upon 2 equals to, in place of QS, we will write 1 upon 3 QR. 1 upon 3 QR. Why? Because they have given plus ST. Okay. So here we write the reason. In place of QT we have written Q. This is from 2. And they have given QS equals to 1 upon 3 QR. Given. Okay, for this is the reason. So in the next step, let's now make this side. Change the sign of this equation. 1 upon 3 QR plus ST equals to 1 upon 2 PQ. Okay, so I have taken this to right hand side and right hand side part to left hand side. So we know that QR is equal to PR and PQ. So in place of QR, we can write PQ. Okay. Therefore, this remains here only. ST equals to, this goes right hand side, so we get ST equals to half PQ minus 1 upon 3 PQ. Okay. Here we write reason PQ equals to Q bar. Okay. So let's minus, we have to 3 PQ minus 2 PQ. Take the LCM, 3 into 1 3 PQ minus sign 2 into 1 2 PQ upon 2 3 is 6. So 3 PQ minus 2 PQ becomes 1 PQ. So we will get ST equals to 1 PQ. 1 PQ means just PQ upon 6. This is equation 3. So we got new value of ST, PQ upon 6. Now where we are going to use this value? In this family, PTS. Okay? Because what we have to prove? 9PS. So we need to find PS square. So for PS square we have to use Pythagoras theorem. Where? In this triangle PTS. So when we need PTS, so we need ST. For that reason we found this. तो ST मिल गया, PS हमें ढूंढना है, and PT is given here. Okay, so let's use in triangle PTS by Pythagoras theorem. PS square equals to PT square plus ST square. PS value we don't know. PT square. Now PT square means how much? Root 3 upon 2 into PQ square. Root 3 upon 2 into PQ का whole square. पूरे का square. You can write here from 1 plus ST. ST is how much? ST is half of ST is PQ upon 6. The whole square. So we write the reason from 1 and from 3. Okay. So let's solve this. PS remains there only. So root 3 square will become 3. PQ square upon 2 will become 4. 2 to the 4 plus PQ square upon 36. So to make the denominator equal, we need to multiply this fraction by 9. 9 3s and 9 4s. So denominator will become equal. So 9 into 3 PQ square upon 9 into 4 plus PQ square upon 36 equals to 27 PQ square plus PQ square upon 36. This will remain same, nothing will happen to this. Why? Because we haven't done anything in this fraction. What we did, we multiplied this by 9 so that the denominator can become equal. So when the denominator is equal, all the numerator part just added or subtract. So here we have to add. So I have added 27 PQ square plus PQ square upon 36. That gives 27 PQ plus 1 PQ becomes 28 PQ upon 36. 4 7s are 4 9s are. Here only we prove. So let me write the answer over here. Therefore, PS square equals to 7 PQ square upon 9. So this 9 goes here. 9 PS square, 11 PQ square. So we prove. Hence, proved. It takes time when you are solving problem set. Such question, it takes time, but easy. One step, you find 3 values, use them properly, you get the answer. Okay? Dear students, now we have question number 17 from problem set 2, geometry. We just have information. Let's draw the triangle. Here they are given. PM is the median of triangle PQR. Let's draw the triangle PQR. Okay. So this is PQR. Median. Median means the middle part. So this equals to this PM. Okay. PM is the median triangle PQR. PQ is 40. They have given the values also. PQ is 40. PR 42. PM 29. Find QR. This we have to find. So if we find this much, so both are equal, then we will get this value also, and finally we will add them and we get QR. That's all. Solution. Since triangle PQR has median PM, therefore QM equals to MR M is the midpoint. Okay, let it be equation 1. Therefore, by Apollonius theorem is this square plus this square equals to 2 this side square plus 2 this side square. PQ square plus PR square equals to 2 PM square plus 2 QM square. PQ value is 40, PR is 42, 2 PM is 2 into 29 square plus 2 QM we don't know. Okay, 40 square plus 42 square. 4 4 is 16. 42 square, that gives us 1764 equals to 29 square is 841 plus 2 QM square. Let's add them. 4, 6, 7 plus 6, 13, 112 becomes 3364 equals to 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16 plus 2 QM square. Let's get this side minus, so 3 3 6 4 minus 1 6 8 2 equals to 2 QM square. Let's minus it. 4 minus 2 becomes 2. 6 minus 8 not possible. So 16 minus 8 8. 12 minus 6 6. 2 minus 1 1. So we get 1682 upon 2 equals to QM square. Let's cancel it by 2. 2 1s are 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. 841. Now 841 here we found it is the square of 29. Therefore, QM equals to 29. Reason taking square root. Taking square root on both the sides, we get this value QM. But QM equals to MR. QM plus MR equals to QR. You can put a reason here. QM equals to MR. So 29 plus 29 equals to QR. Okay. 29 plus 29 equals to QR, then we get 58. At the given centimeter, let me check. No, so it will be only 58. That's it. Again, we have question number 18, which is very much similar to question number 17. So let's solve further. They have given AM is the median in triangle ABC. We are not given the triangle, of course, we will draw the triangle. A, B, C. Again the median. So that is AM becomes median as they have given. So once this is median, then these two parts are equal. Solution in triangle ABC, AM is median. They are given. Therefore, BM equals to MC. Therefore, M is midpoint. And therefore, we can apply what? Apollonius theorem. By Apollonius theorem, what equals to what? AB square. AB they have given 22. AC is 34. BC is full is 24. So this full is 24. This is midpoint. So half will become equal. So 12 and 12. Okay. So we have to find AM. So Apollonius theorem says that AB square plus AC square equals to 2AM square plus 2BM square. Let's put the value. 22 square plus 34 square equals to 2 into AM is unknown plus 2BM is 2 into 12 square. Square of 22. Square of 22 is 484. 34 plus square. Square of 34 is 1156 equals to 2AM square plus 2 into 144. The square of 12 is 144. So 484 plus 1156. 6 plus 4 becomes 10. 5 becomes 8. 5 plus 8 becomes 13. 1 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 4 5 6. 1 6 4 0. 144 का double 288. This 288 comes here minus equals to 2am square. That's minus 10 minus 8 becomes 2. 3 minus 8 not possible. 13 minus 8 5. So here becomes 5. 5 minus 2 3. 1 carry forward. So 1352 we get equals to 2am square. Let's take this 2 down. So 2 ones are 2, 6 are 2 sevens are 2 6 are. So we get 6 7 6 equals to am square. Therefore, am equals to 26. The square root of 676 is 26. Taking square root. Okay. Now here we have taken the value of Bm as 12. For this, include this part. You can include here, since Bm equals to Mc equals to y, it is given in question 1. Therefore, Bm equals to half of Bc equals to half of 24. So we get 12. Okay. You have to mention this. Either you can take a step and solve, or you can write in the reason like this. Okay. So this we have finished the problem set 2 from geometry. I hope you have understood. I have covered, I think, 99% questions. If there is anything which makes you doubtful, so please feel free to contact me. Thank you very much. God bless you for your cooperation.